Now we are going to look at some examples. We're going to try and identify if the underlined portion of the sentence is the cause or the effect. So number one, she got a 0 on her paper because she was caught cheating. So her being caught cheating caused her to get a 0 on the paper. So here our effect is listed first, and then we are given the cause. Number two, since the car was making a strange noise, my dad took it to the mechanic. Is this our cause or our effect? This is the effect. The car making the strange noise caused the dad to have to take it to the mechanic. So cause and then effect. Number three, Shane hurt his leg, so he was unable to play in the baseball game. Is this our cause or our effect? His leg getting hurt caused him to be unable to play. So the hurt leg is the cause, and this is the effect. Number four, the cookies were burnt because Jocelyn forgot to take them out of the oven. Is Jocelyn forgetting to take them out of the oven the cause for the cookies being burnt? Or is it the effect of the cookies being burnt? If you said cause, you are correct. On the next slide, you are going to identify these next 4 sentences if the underlined portion of the sentence is the cause or the effect.